From Creations. Thanks for joining me and welcome. So today we have a collaboration. I'm kicking it off, but I just want to explain how it works. So it's called a visual conversation. And this is with 4 other artists who mean a lot to me. And I actually have real conversations with them, so now we're going to have a visual one. So it's, if you think of the kids telephone game where one person says a phrase, they repeat it, whisper it in the other ear, and it goes down the line, and then at the end of the conversation the last person doesn't always have the right phrase as the first person. So that's the idea, but we're going to do it visually. So I did a painting, and you're gonna see that in a minute. And at the end of the painting, I sent a picture of that painting to Christy. Only Christy, nobody else. No one knows what I sent Christy but Christy. And based off of that painting, she creates her own painting. So whatever inspires her, the color, the composition, maybe she can figure out the technique, whatever it is, or she could just totally change the conversation, like a real conversation. So, and then she does that, her painting off of my image. And she creates a painting, and she sends a photo of her painting to Amy and down the line. So I'm so excited because I think it's a fascinating concept, and I can't wait to see. None of us know what the other guy got. None of us know how this conversation is going to look. So it'll be really cool to see all 5 paintings together. So I highly suggest you watch in order, and all the order will be in the description box. But yeah, it's cool. And what do you think? What do you think of this idea? I've never seen it in the fluid art community, and do you want to be part of the conversation? So just let me know, and I'd love to. You can have multiple rounds of conversation. You know, it doesn't just end at the, say 5 people. It can just keep going on and on. So yeah, let me know what you think, and if you want to join the conversation. So I'll get to the painting, and I'm really excited to see how this looks. So thanks for joining me, and peace.
out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to get you. You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to just call on me, baby, I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, swear that I'll be there. I'll just call on me, baby, I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby, swear that I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to just call on me to just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just call on me. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me.
Alright, here it is wet. I hope you can see the color. It's amazing. Here's the middle. And some of the sides. So yeah, when it's wet, I'll show it to you dry, but I love the colors. The camera's not showing over right there. Beautiful. Okay, I'll show it to you dry. Okay. All right, here it is dried and varnished, and I think it looks like lips and teeth, and The colors remain vibrant. I'll bring you in a little closer, show you some of the corners. This, I love this. I love the colors. So this is the image that I sent to Christy. Head on over to Christy Angeline Designs and see what she creates based off of this image. So thanks for joining me, and join the conversation. Let me know what you think of this concept. Have a great day, and peace, everyone.